Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the details of the KEDIERS PC case, 7 ARGB fans pre-installed, mid-tower ATX PC case. Remember that the link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below, so be sure to check it out. This mid-tower gaming case stands out with its impressive cooling system and striking panoramic tempered glass design. Equipped with 7 high-performance ARGB fans, including 3 reverse blade intake fans on the side and 4 exhaust fans on the top and rear, it ensures efficient airflow that keeps your CPU and GPU running cool even during intense gaming sessions. The dual-channel airflow design, horizontal for the CPU and vertical for the GPU, further optimizes heat dissipation. One of the most notable features is the 270 degrees panoramic tempered glass panels on the front and side, offering a crystal-clear view of your internal components. The tempered glass is not only visually stunning but also highly durable and provides good sound insulation, making it ideal for both gaming and office environments. The diamond-cut angles add an extra touch of elegance, enhancing the overall aesthetic of your build. Cable management is another strong point with this case. It includes large cable routing spaces and a back connect design that keeps cables hidden from the front view, promoting better airflow and a cleaner look. The magnetic dust filters on the top and bottom are easy to remove and clean, helping to maintain a dust-free interior without compromising cooling performance. Pros of the KEDIERS K4 case include its exceptional airflow system with 7 pre-installed ARGB fans, sleek and durable tempered glass panels, and thoughtful cable management features. The magnetic dust filters add convenience for maintenance. However, on the downside, the mid-tower size may be a bit bulky for users with limited desk space, and the extensive glass panels require careful handling to avoid fingerprints and smudges. Overall, this case offers a fantastic combination of performance, aesthetics, and functionality, making it an excellent choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts looking to showcase their hardware while maintaining optimal cooling. Don't forget, the link to get this PC case at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. Make sure to grab yours while the offer lasts.